Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading from 21st of May till 31st of May. So remember these are journal readings, so this might or might not resonate with you. Okay, so right now I'm running an offer on my YouTube channel. Uh, I'll provide a numerology report for whosoever is interested in rupees 100 right now till May end. Okay, after that the price will increase. So if you're interested, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. You can find it in my description box as well. Okay, so let's start. Scorpio, your partner's current energy is Two of Pentacles. Hell lot of confused about something in their life. They are going through a confusing state of mind. Scorpio, I feel like your person is very confused about something that is happening. They are right now maybe juggling between yes or no, maybe juggling between two people, maybe juggling between what should I do, what should I not do. This is like that. Confusing state of mind. Let's clarify their energy. Let's clarify. The Two of Wands, the Two of Cups, okay, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, sorry. So I feel like this person is waiting for the spiritual connection, for the soulmate connection, but they are deeply hurt and standing their own ground. Okay, this is the story. So I feel like this person is waiting for something to happen from a very long time, and they were waiting for the spiritual connection, spiritual union with you, or soulmate connection with you, or a love message or love offer from your side. But they are very deeply hurt by something that happened in the past in this connection. They are hurt, but they are still hoping for something to happen. They are not releasing this thought of no. They are not releasing this thought of that this is over. Okay, and they are just waiting for something to happen, and that is why they are very confused, because although they are very hurt, although they are emotionally off right now, might be, but they are waiting on you. Okay, and they are just confused whether you will be you will give this connection another chance or not. Might be this is the confusion that they are going through. Okay, Scorpio, let's see your current energy. Your current energy right now is Nine of Wands. See, you are also hurt. This person is deeply hurt by something. You are also deeply hurt by something. These are the same cards from different decks. Okay, so you are also deeply hurt by something that happened in the past, but you are also not losing hope regarding this particular connection. You are also very hopeful. You are also standing your own ground. Okay, you are also taking your side. You are feeling like although things didn't work out in this connection, but I know that I am correct and I am right. I am going to take my stand. I'm not going to leave my stand. This is what your current energy is. Deeply hurt but still hoping for the best to happen. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Swords, and the Lovers. I feel like in the recent past you were hurt, you were deeply hurt by something, or you were heartbroken, or this relationship broke up, or you were crying over something that was not working out in this connection. But you were hurt because you love this person a lot. Scorpio, this is your current energy. Okay, you are hurt because you love this person, and you felt like this person is the one for you. You felt like this is a very beautiful connection, the lovers. You could be dealing with the Gemini, I can say that. Okay, so this broke your heart. This thing, this fight, this miscommunication. There was something going on in this connection that made you feel like heartbroken completely, and that is why right now also you are hurt, but you are hoping for something to happen, and you are hoping for this connection to work out in the future. Okay, Scorpio, this is what you are going through. I feel like this person is confused, but they are also very hurt. You are not confused, you are deeply hurt by this particular person. Okay, and that is why right now might be you are silent and emotionally off. Even if you guys are talking to each other, you can feel like there is sense of detachment in this connection. Okay, let's see their feelings for you, Scorpio. Eight of Wands. They want to have they feel like there should be communication, clear, open and honest communication in this connection. Okay, because I feel like this person is a big time communicator. Okay, and they believe in communication rather than fighting, or rather than creating a scene or drama or something like that. They feel like there should be back and forth communication. They feel like the air should be clear between you guys. Let's clarify their feelings for you. And this is not some type of, just a conversation. It is some kind of conversation that clears everything between you guys, the hurt, the love, and then eventually you guys will heal. This is the type of communication they are feeling that there should be in this connection. Let's clarify. The Hierophant is there, the Tower is there, and the Three of Cups is there. So I feel like they want to have a spiritual connection. They wanted to have a marriage. You could be dealing with the Taurus. They wanted to have a marriage or spiritual connection with you, but this thing didn't work out. This thing broke up. This foundation broke up, and they want to have a reconciliation again with you. They want to have a relationship with you again. That is what they feel like they should communicate with you. Okay, that is why they feel like they should communicate with you regarding this particular situation, because there's their dream of becoming a husband or wife of yours that broke up. Okay, because there is something that was not working out in this connection, and they're seeking for a reconciliation. That is why they feel like there should be communication, open and honest communication in this particular connection. Let's see what they want from you, Scorpio. What this particular person wants from you is Queen of Swords. I feel like this person wants clarity. They want you to be very, very clear about their intentions, about your intentions towards them. I feel like you are giving them mixed signals or confusing signals, or one day you are telling them, yes, I am in this connection. Next day you are like, no, I don't want this connection, or I'm just a friend or something like that. So they want a clarity from your side, especially mental clarity, because by heart they can feel like you still have feelings for them, but by mental, by the mind thing, you might be playing mind games with them. You might be, you are might be not able to make your mind for this particular connection. That is why they are just seeking a connection that is clear cut, communication that is clear cut from your side. Let's clarify further. The Queen of Swords as what they want, the Knight of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. So yes, they want you to be clear about this connection, about this love relationship, about what you want from them, about this particular connection's future. So I feel like they want you to be open and honest with them, and to clear your intentions, because I feel like they can feel that you have love for them. They can feel you also want a long term commitment relationship with them, but you are being adamant, but you are being stuck. Okay, you are being acting like, no, I don't want this, no, I don't want this. So your mind is telling you something else, and your heart is telling you something else. So there is a war going on between your mind and your heart, okay, regarding this particular connection, Scorpio. And that is why they want you to be very, very clear about your intentions regarding this particular person, seeking some kind of clarity from you. That is what they want. I'm explaining you like a child, like a teacher. Okay, so let's see what to expect from this person till 31st of May. Let's see. Five of Cups. See, this person, I feel like they are grieving in loneliness. They are crying for you in loneliness. They are not able to, forget you. No matter how hard they are trying, they are not able to forget you. They are just, feeling lonely without you, depressed without you. And I feel like they're not going to reveal these kind of feelings to you. But they are going through like this, going through these types of emotions. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. There's something that is bothering them a lot and making them feel like hell, depressed, sad. The Magician, the Sun, and the King of Swords. Yes, again, they are manifesting happiness. They are manifesting that clarity. Okay, they are manifesting that there should be happiness in their life with you, and you make them very, very happy, and you should be very, very clear about their intention, because I feel like this person is very clear about their intentions about you, Scorpio. Okay, and that is why they are in this manifesting zone right now, because they are feeling depressed, they are feeling sad, they are feeling like they will go in depression if they didn't get you, or if this connection didn't work out in the future. So I feel like this person will come towards you, will they will talk to you, but they are not going to reveal their true feelings for you. Okay, they are not going to reveal that what they are going through. Although they want to have an open and honest communication with you, but I feel like this person is not going to reveal anything to you as of now, like what they are going through or what they are feeling. But deep inside, they are very depressed, very sad, and lonely without you. This is what is happening. Let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys. Mask, not showing true feelings. Yes, I'm telling you, this person is not showing their true feelings for you. This is them trying to mask their emotion, mask their feelings. Okay, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. I hope this will give you some kind of insight to move forward in your life regarding this particular person. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening. If you like my video, do share it and subscribe to my channel. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Thank you.